Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 8 with your phone. First, download the Huawei Health app, available on both Android and iOS app stores. Make sure your Huawei Band 8 is fully charged and powered on. Next, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone to allow it to discover new devices. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth pairing process, ensuring all components are ready for connection. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app and find the Devices tab. Tap Add Device, then select Smart Bands and choose the Huawei Band 8 from the list. Your phone will search for the band. Once found, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the band. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection, typically within a few seconds. Sometimes, you might encounter connection issues. If pairing fails, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 8. This often resolves minor glitches. You can also clear the cache of the Huawei Health app or even reinstall it if problems persist. Additionally, ensure that your band isn't already connected to another device, as this can prevent a new connection. These steps usually fix most common pairing difficulties. After a successful connection, you can personalize your Huawei Band 8. Use the Huawei Health app to customize watch faces, set alarms, and manage notifications. Your activity and health data, such as steps, heart rate, and sleep, will automatically sync to the app, providing valuable insights. Remember to regularly update the Huawei Health app to access the latest features and ensure the best performance from your band.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.